How to use Temu coupon bundle. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Temu coupon bundle. So first, you have to sign into your Temu account. Before applying any coupon bundles, ensure you're signed into your Temu account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. Step 2, you have to browse through the Temu platform and add items to your cart. Most of the cases, you need to add at least 10 items, but sometimes it depends on the prices. So you have to select eligible items for coupon bundles. Ensure the items in your cart are eligible for the coupon bundle. Some coupons may have restrictions, such as being valid for specific products, categories, or minimum order amounts. So just continue browsing, look for any item or products that, of course, stores offer bundles of coupons or they just offer specific coupon to their specific items. So once you have added these products, then basically you can move on, go on to checkout. So on the checkout page, look for the option to enter or apply coupons. Automatic application. If the coupon bundle is valid for the items in your cart, it may automatically apply to your total. Manually apply the coupon. So if automatic application does not occur, you may need to enter the coupon code manually. Find the coupon code from the bundle and input into the promo code field at checkout. Now review the discount and then complete the purchase. By following the steps, you'll be able to apply your Temu coupon bundle and enjoy savings on your order. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.